This is a transistor. It is one of the most useful electronics components in modern devices today. As an electronics lover, this is an essential component you should know. So what is a transistor? A transistor is a type of semiconductor device that can be used to conduct and insulate electric current or voltage. A transistor basically acts as a switch and an amplifier. We can simply describe a transistor as a miniature device that controls or regulates the flow of electronic signals. A typical transistor is composed of 3 layers of semiconductor materials, or more specifically, terminals, which help to make a connection to an external circuit and carry the current. A voltage or current that is applied to any one pair of the terminals of a transistor controls the current through the other pair of terminals. There are 3 terminals for a transistor. 1. Base. This is used to activate the transistor. 2nd, collector. It is the positive lead of the transistor. 3. Emitter. It is the negative lead of the transistor. So now let's talk about the types of transistors. There are mainly 2 types of transistors based on how they are used in a circuit. 1. Bipolar junction. Transistor, BJT. The 3 terminals of BJT are the base, emitter, and collector. A tiny current flowing between the base and emitter can control a larger flow of current between the collector and emitter terminal. Furthermore, there are 2 types of BJT, and they include PNP transistor and NPN transistor. 2. Field effect transistor, FET. For FET, the 3 terminals are gate, source, and drain. The voltage at the gate terminal can control a current between the source and the drain. FET is a unipolar transistor in which N-channel FET or P-channel FET are used for conduction. The main applications of FETs are in low-noise amplifiers, buffer amplifiers, and analog switches. Apart from these, there are many other types of transistors which include MOSFET, JFET, insulated gate bipolar transistor, thin film transistor, high electron mobility transistor, inverted T field effect transistor, IT-FET, fast reverse epitaxial diode field effect transistor, FRED-FET, Schottky transistor, tunnel field effect transistor, organic field effect transistor, OFET, diffusion transistor, etc. So now let's talk about the advantages of a transistor. 1. Lower cost and smaller in size.